All right, in the process of putting my firewall plugs in for the firewall blankets, so there's 4 of them. So in the process of just lining up the holes that needs where all the plugs go. So as of right now, I put just a little bit of grease on it, just a little bit so it slips through. But I'm putting it on a screwdriver and see what happens, and give it a good shove. All right, did pretty good. And the firewall. Right there. So I've got 3 more to do. Alright, I'm having a little hard time. So I got one in the bottom right corner by the heater box, bottom right, and then there's another one that's right here, and the blanket is not quite formed right, and stretching it, and the plug is actually pulling right through the blanket. So I push the plug in, and the blanket just comes right off. So and there's another one I need to put in. So I've got 2 in so far just to hold it up, but I'll have to figure out later on how to get this pinned down. But I'll put stuff on to stretch the blanket out, get it screwed down, and then put the plugs in.